Hi everyone, welcome to our second edition tutorial. So we decided that we would really love to share some ideas and on tactics going through the customer journey, especially during this difficult period that we're all trying to work through. So this is specifically for partner marketeers. And what we've done is we're using the race model. We decided we're going to concentrate on sections of the race model. In particular, we're concentrate on the reach part of the race model, something that we've been working on with Dave Chaffee to channelise his digital journey model race and make it more channelized. So there's a great webinar on our website if you want to look at that, giving you a bit more information with Dave Chaffee and Helen. But this particular tutorial is going to concentrate on online value propositions. So Helen, what does an online value proposition, why does it matter in partner marketing?
Well, we've worked on hundreds of value propositions, but when you're thinking about an online value proposition, you need to think about it differently. And in the world of partner marketing, it matters because this is where your target audience is going to be able to find you via your partner. So when they visit your partner's website, you really want them to quickly understand what's that joint value. You want to capture them in seconds, and it's really got to be together, not bolted on, that joint story.
Yeah, definitely. And how do I go about building one?
Well, you need to first of all answer who's involved in the partnership, because sometimes it might not just be two organisations, it might be 3, 4. And be clear on everybody's role, be clear about the audience that you want to serve and the online audience that you're trying to talk to. Be clear about what is that offer and how will that offer come across from an online point of view. And actually, why should they care, and what makes you different and stand out?
Yeah. So why is that different from a normal value proposition? Because we help a lot of customers with a normal value proposition. Why is an online one different?
Because you're thinking about that normal value proposition in the context of the website or the LinkedIn. So when I'm there, as a customer, what am I there to do, and why do I want that information, and how are you going to get me to click on and continue that online journey? So it takes the normal value proposition, but it's subtly different because you're thinking about why am I there at that point in time.
And what's the benefit of that?
Well, I guess ultimately it helps you stand out from your competitors on your partner's website, because most partners are multi-vendor, but it does echo that wider proposition of your company as well.
Okay. So what if I want to do this, what would be the first steps that I'd take to do it?
Okay, well, I think I'm sure you've got some ideas on this as well. So first of all, start off by thinking about who is that target audience. The clearer you are, the better it's going to be, and research them. Find out who they are online, what's their behaviour, what are they doing?
And I guess understand what their needs are as well, because then you can use that to engage with them online.
Yeah, absolutely. And then I think the other thing that would be really important is to look at what your competitors are saying, because they're looking to do the same thing. And when you're doing the search engine piece that you talked about in one of the previous videos, your competitors are appearing there. So you really need to be cognizant of what they're saying and making sure you're standing out from them.
Yeah, so I think if you're doing all of those things, then you're in a good position to start to define your joint online value proposition.
Yeah, absolutely. And thinking about what we talked about earlier in terms of the layers that are included in that. So hopefully that helps people think about that subtle difference and how they can go out there and capture that kind of share of the digital traffic that is online at the moment.
Thanks everyone. Bye.